Yeah, welcome back to EUsatcom at IBC 2015. I'm Hub Urlings. I'm here with Martin Coleman. The subject of today's conference is next generation video networks. Martin, you've been around broadcasting satellite for a long time. I know you have worked very much on quality assurance there, getting proper and reliable connections. What we see here at IBC is, I would nearly say, a new generation of new systems that can help broadcasters in achieving that role. What struck you on that? What were things that you found of interest?
I think what struck me, I mean, I use the word automation. I mean, that gets used a lot, but in the sense that we have DSNG profiles now set up by the WBU IMCG, which was ISOG. We have metadata, we have things like carrier ID, tags, all sorts of information within systems. And the thing is that if we automate, and we can, we've seen that here today, we've seen it at other events here. We're bringing the smartness in, and what's happening is it means we can operate, we can run the scenarios, we can line up SNG trucks, we can do all that automatically, we can book it automatically. It means we won't make mistakes. I mean, that's something close to my heart anyway, but ignoring the human error and the equipment and everything, you just take out errors. And that means the customer gets what they want, the service quality is high, and we just, even the jamming, anything like that, it starts to be eliminated because we're smart. That's what I think's come out of this.
Yes, and I think for me, a smart system, is a combination of technology, of people, and all kind of rules. Looks a little bit like me that in the past, the human factor was very important in satellite, because you have to know what you're doing, you have to connect these workflows.
Yes.
Is that human factor, you think, diminishing?
I think it is. I think it has been for a long time. But on the other hand, the service, the amount of what we can do has increased, which has brought the human factor back in. So what you're seeing is this natural evolution of automation and products that help us manage what we do. So I don't think the human element's actually dropping. I just think we can do more in less time. So
is it maybe changing? Is it maybe changing?
Yeah, I think it is. The job's changing.
Yes.
We don't line up. We don't do satellite lineups, let's say, as an example. The system does it. But what we do is manage what content we want now. This split second, I want this. I want that news now. I want to mix this piece of data with that picture. I want it now. And so the human part is the creative part, the bit the machine can't do. Okay. Being creative. It's objective. We do the subjective. And that's important. It hasn't gone. Thank goodness we still do create. Machines don't create. But what they do is give us that ability to create more. And that's how we get more services. And this is why this industry, all of it, and it is a hybrid. Good.
What do you think? I mean, it's a hybrid, that is the key word. It doesn't matter really anymore if it's by a satellite or cellular or a terrestrial network. I know you are an old telecom guy. Has that changed? Has that in a sense?
Well, it's interesting you say that. I only thought a few days ago, and this sounds corny, but I used to work in a very old international telephone exchange in London. Well, it wasn't old then. It was cutting technology in the middle of relays and electromechanical switches. But guess what? My job was to make a call go from A to B. I didn't really care whether it went via Goonhilly and satellite or across the transatlantic TAT cables. I didn't care. It just went A to B. I was already a hybrid. It never was separate.
Hybrid avant la lettre.
The communication industry is a hybrid. It never changed. People, somehow we lost it. Yeah. But thank goodness, because of the magic of technology, we're back.
Okay. Martin, thanks very much for that. Always enjoy your comments and your sharp insights. Look forward to speak to you in future again. Thank you.